Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. If you are new here, my humble self is RosesGlam, and on today's video I am going to do a little bit unboxing. If this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So what are we unboxing today? Yay! I'm going to unbox this tripod. Okay, actually I got one, but as a content creator, as time progresses, you find out that you need more and more things to do, yeah, I kind of bought something. Is a bar that you place on a tripod. When you place, you can fix two phones on it, or one camera and one phone. But unfortunately, the one I have is not that strong, whereby when you fix it, it's kind of bent one side. Okay, so I was surprised. My husband, yeah, it's always surprising me. I was surprised he came in this afternoon or this evening. He went out to with my daughter to do something. He came in and told me that he bought something. I was like, what? He just presented this to me. I was like, whoa, what for? He said, yeah, but the one I don't have before is not working so well, so that he bought a stronger one. I was like, okay, I'm happy that he got it. Okay, so I decided to share it with you guys. So let's just open it together and see how it works. Okay, it's kind of a bit, it's kind of heavy, so let's just see how it works. Okay,
just keep me coming back when you call me. Is it gonna go?
Okay, says the brand is a Coleman. Okay, you can see from here, say Coleman, right? It's like this, Coleman. Okay, and it says that is Rondo 480 RB. I don't understand what that means. Okay, it's 185 centimeter, that is 72.83 inches. Is a 48 centimeter. To if you want to open the leg, I'm going to open it so that you can see. Okay, and maximum weight load is 4 kilo, so it can carry up to 4 kilo, either camera or phone and all that. And let's go ahead, open it and see what it looks like. Okay, this bag, and the brand is the Coleman. Okay, so go ahead to open it and see. Well, I love this. I love the blue on it. Okay, and yeah, okay, I presume this is where you fix whatever you want to fix here. And yeah, so I love this. Look at that. Whoa, look at this. This is lovely. So I'm going to position it on the floor and explain how it works. Okay, but yeah, it's really awesome. So this is how it is. You can open it to get to 180 centimeter. You just have to open it here, like your normal tripod, and if you want to get a bigger footage, you can as well. Here, this blue, you just press it, make it more wider so that it will be more stable depending on what you are doing. Okay, you just have to fix it that way, like this. Yeah, you can adjust it the way you want. If you want to make a smaller footage, you can fix it this way. Okay, and Yeah, one good thing that I like about this is that this particular one here, it has foam. If you want to get if you want to, I mean, you want to have a monopod, have a single leg, you can unscrew this. No, it's just this one, because how you can identify it is because it has foam. Okay, so when you unscrew it, you don't really need to do anything. You just have to fix your camera on here, and yeah, you can, you know, adjust the length how you want it, and you know, take a video or take a picture of how you want to take it. This helps, okay, to get the pictures or the video you're recording stable, because you know, when you hold it you might shake your hand, but when it's here you don't really shake your hand, you know, it's just steady and like that. So we go ahead to fix it here again. Done with this one. And here, this particular one, if you want to fix your camera, all you need to do is to open it here, bring it out, fix your camera here, and you put it back. Okay, yeah, and you can as well adjust the head if you want to. All you need to do is to open these 3 knots, you know, these 3, you know, and because this one is open, you can always turn the head, you know, around like this, how you want. If you get the position you want, you can tighten it, and if you want to move around the head, this one, open this. Okay, I will go ahead and tighten this one. Okay, so you open this too, that way you should be able to rotate it and fix it the way you want, and when you get it, you just go ahead to, you know, tighten it back to make it stable. Now this is it. So this is it. I think is a good one. I love it. Not that I think, I'm in love with it. The color, I think, is cool. There is difference between this and what I have before. I quite love this one. It has a very lovely features, okay, and I love the color. You know, even if I don't want to take the whole of the tripod out, I can easily unscrew this with the camera and go away, just put it in my bag, and yeah, there I go. And if you want to adjust it, you can also lose here, this one, lose it, either you take it up or you bring it down here, and when you get the position you want, you can just tighten it up. Yeah, this is it. It's very cool. Okay, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you. God bless you, and more money in your bag. So this is it. If you like this review or if you like this unboxing, do not hesitate to give this video a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please consider hitting on that subscription button right around there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Thank you, and don't forget to leave your comments at the comment section. I would love to read them, and if you have something like this, if you've used it before, do let me know your experience at the comment section. Thank you, and bye for now. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye.
Friends, labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands.